Hi everyone, here's a quick experiment with the motor I got on eBay. You can see there it's a 12 volt motor, or I think it's 12 or 24, not sure whether it'll take 24 volts, but 12 volts it doesn't go too badly. So it's got a double-ended shaft on it, and it's got weights on the end of it. You can see as it turns around, they flip it around and makes the whole thing shake. So they sell them as a vibration motor on eBay. So anyway, I've got that hooked up to this 12 volt battery and my little forward reverse switch. So let's give it a go. Doesn't matter which way around I go, forward or reverse on the switch. So you can see it's going around there. See if we can get a better shot of it. So here's what it looks back a bit further. So I think that's got potential as a Halloween prop, to maybe have something lurking in the bushes, you know, saying it's watching you or something like that, and then you can activate the motor on it. So I don't know, if you varied the speed of the motor or gave it little pulses or something like that, you might actually get it to go sort of a more of a shake. The faster you run it, probably the less of a shake it's going to be, because it's not going to get a chance to really offset, you know, the weights in a reasonable sort of time frame when it's spinning around too fast. So hopefully you can see it there. So that's 12 volts, although that battery's probably down a bit. I haven't used it for a while, so it's possibly dropping right down, so it might not be as strong as it could be otherwise. So yeah, that could be an interesting idea. Have to mount that motor probably in a box somehow. The weights extend past the edge of the see if we can get in there. The weights extend past the edge of the motor housing, so you can't strap it straight to something that way, otherwise it's going to hit. So probably have to mount it using a little clamp, or put it up on a little pillow block or something like that, and mount that inside a box and make it weatherproof. And then you probably need to mount it relatively loosely in whatever you're trying to shake, so you can get it an actual chance to throw its weight around, so to speak. Otherwise, if you do it mount it too rigidly there, I guess you probably won't get it. It's going to absorb the vibration too much. So so I think that's not too bad. It's a bit hard to see the sun. Sorry about the wind noise. It's turned out to be a bit of a windy day. Trying to do it between this video between wind gusts. And you can't really hear it all that much. You can hear the motor just, but I think if you had an audio soundtrack going at the same time, you wouldn't even notice that. So you could have something going over the top of that noise there to drown it out a little bit, and hopefully that might be a good effect. So that is worth some experimentation, I think.